it's a new day. And I'm trying to pave the way for me and my people to get paid.
Good morning, YouTube, and welcome to another edition of the Green Thumbs Gardening Channel. I am indeed your host, Lion Unleashed. Today is Monday, October 28, 2019. And this morning we thought we would give you guys a quick peek at exactly what's going on with our purple dragon carrots. Hang tight, YouTube. Alright, YouTube, it has indeed been about a month since we brought you guys our last video update on our purple dragon carrots. If you've been following the video series on this particular planter, you recall that these purple dragon carrot seeds were a product of Baker Creek Heirloom Seeds, and that we received these seeds from our dear friend Holly up at the Red Shed in Cleveland, Ohio. And if you're not already subscribed to Holly's channel, take this moment to click on the link at the top of this video, hop over to her channel, and see what Holly's growing in her garden this morning up there in Cleveland, Ohio as well. At any rate, YouTube, if you haven't indeed been following the video series on this particular planter, this is what our purple dragon carrots look like in our last video update. And this, indeed, is what they look like now, YouTube. Take a look at this, guys. You take a look at this. Oh my God. Can you guys see that forest? Our carrots are indeed towering 8 to 10 inches above the top of our planter at this point. They're planted about 4 inches below the top of this planter here. The soil level is about 4 inches below this, so we got about a good 12 inches of carrot foliage going on in this planter right now. And yeah, again, if you have been following the video series on this particular planter, you recall that we planted 3 rows of purple dragon carrot seeds in this planter. Virtually every seed that we planted did indeed germinate and come up. And again, this is what they look like now. On Monday, October 28th, 2019. Our purple dragon carrots. We can't be more excited and pleased about what we see in this planter at this time. Our carrots have been growing for about 2 months and some change right now. We're actually planning on letting these carrots stay in this planter another month and a half to 2 months. Maybe do a test harvest on these carrots sometime around Christmas. But at any rate, YouTube, our purple dragon carrots and our 2-foot by 6-foot main hugelkultur garden planter. If you are indeed watching this video, YouTube, and you're not currently already subscribed to the Green Thumbs Gardening Channel, please take this moment to press that subscribe button beneath this video, that like button, that notification button, and be sure to share this video with your friends and family if you don't mind. Thanks. We really, really, really would appreciate it. Yeah. Purple dragon carrots, a product of Baker Creek Heirloom Seeds, and a gift to us from our dear friend Holly up at the Red Shed in Cleveland, Ohio. Thanks, Holly.
Trying to pave the way for me and my peeps to get paid. Hit the bathroom, splash some cold water on my face. Okay, thanks to job for letting this lion you see another day. Herbal meditation, elevation is the booth. Ain't much of a drinker, but they call this lion 100 proof. Ain't 1990, but this lion's about to raise the roof. Get tested, let me tell you what this lion's gonna do. I'm known for ripping haters just like I did the last time. Cause I shut them down every time I say what's on my mind. It was 8 years ago when I first hit the rap game. And way back then nobody really even knew my name. But it's a different time, a different city, different state. I started out small, but now this lion's heavyweight. Can you picture this? Sit back and watch me reminisce. I'm knocking haters off and I got your name up on my list. This line is on the rise. You can see it in my eyes. I'm aiming for the top prize. I know it's been a minute. That don't mean I fell off. Rap king of the streets, and yeah, I'm still the boss. Each time my haters test me, they fall in